into Amazon KDP ads, this video is for you. I've got a game changer tool that you need to know about. So let's talk about something important to your success: setting the right prices and managing your ad spend effectively. While Amazon offers you the tools to do so, just to help you out and managing your ads, there's actually one specific tool that I would like to share with you in today's video that beats Amazon's own calculator. It not only gives you better insights, but it also includes a game-changing metric, which is ACOS, and it stands for Advertising Cost of Sales. Now, let me explain why this is a big deal and how you can use it to your advantage. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nora, and we talk about profitable Amazon KDP strategies, tips and strategies, keywords, tags, and a couple of other things to help you make passive income online. So if you're interested in these kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button and let's get started. So first of all, what is ACOS and why does it matter? ACOS, or Advertising Cost of Sales, is a really important metric. It works to evaluate how cost effective your Amazon pay per click is, and it compares ad spent to the revenue you generate, helping you to gauge whether your ads are working efficiently or wasting money. Now, Amazon's royalty calculator does the job, but it's a bit basic. So let's show you the comparison. So let's have a look at the Amazon's calculator, which provides you with the basics. So the default Amazon royalty calculator, really straightforward. It gets the job done, but let's be honest, it's not exactly exciting or easy on the eyes. Now comes the tool that I'm talking about, which is BookBeam, and it is the smart alternative. Now, here's where BookBeam's free royalty calculator shines. It's sleek, it's intuitive, and way more informative. Not only does it calculate royalties, but it also integrates ACOS directly in the equation. Now, this is a huge win if you're juggling pricing decisions and advertising budgets. So what is the best part? It's interactive. If you need quick adjustments, just drag the slider at the bottom and the calculator instantly recalculates everything, including updated visuals. So it's a total game changer. So let's basically see how this works. So let's talk about the ACOS calculation. So while the numbers shown might not include taxes, it still gives you an excellent baseline to work with. To get a more accurate figure, you can easily factor in your country's tax rate. So if you need help with that, ask ChatGPT for the math. It's really simple. So let's start with optimizing your ad campaigns using this tool. So here's where it gets better. Armed with BookBeam's insights, you can optimize your Amazon campaigns directly. For the 3 steps. Step 1, head to the Amazon Ads dashboard and press Add Budget Rule. Step 2, underperforming metrics, switch from the default settings to ACOS. And step 3, set it to the less than or equal to your target percentage. This small adjustment ensures you're only spending on ads that deliver on solid results. You can get started with BookBeam. It's an amazing tool. It also offers other free tools, so don't forget to scroll through their website for extra resources. So whether you're publishing coloring books, Sudoku puzzles, or anything else, tools like BookBeam can really help you to stay ahead of the competition. So take a moment to check it out, streamline your pricing, and fine-tune your ads. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Let me know in the comments if you're already using BookBeam or if you've got any other favorite tools. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.